The octagonal steel boxes should be very extensive in the electrical system. Are used in the installation of ceiling or wall lighting fixtures. Each octagonal steel box has several knockouts, which is used to connect with the electrical conduit. Compared with the previous type of octagonal steel box, we have added 4 knockouts on the side of octagonal steel box. More uses in electrical installation. More convenient installation. The surface treatment of octagonal steel box is galvanized, according to different market needs. There are 3 choices in thickness: 1.2 mm, 1.5 mm, 1.6 mm. We can also customize according to customer needs. If you want to know more information, please contact ELECMAN Electrical Limited Company.